Let us see the next part of our module, that is fruits. Fruits are juicy, pulpy, colored, aromatic structure that encloses seeds. Okay, we see different fruits and many of the seeds are there. Sometimes one seed is there, sometimes many seeds are there which are enclosed within them. It develops from a ripe ovary. They are rich source of vitamins, minerals and fibers. Children, we like many of the fruits like grapes, banana, papaya, watermelon. Many fruits are there. Okay, they are the main source of balanced diet. Children, as we are watching about the fruit, or we have studied about the fruits, now let us see, or let us talk about their seed. Children, seeds which get divided into two equal parts are called dicotyledonous seeds. Okay children, see here. The seed is divided into two parts. Okay. Very easily it can be divided. Okay. Examples are bean. Okay. These are called as a dicotyledonous seed. And seeds which do not divide into two equal parts are called monocotyledonous seed. They cannot divide. Okay, if you take one wheat in hand and soak it in water, try to break it. It cannot be divided into two parts. Okay, so wheat is an example of monocotyledonous seed. Let us have the summary of both the modules which we saw. Plants, like other living organisms, have different parts. Different parts of plants perform different functions. Okay, they have different functions. Their parts. One is root system and shoot system. Root is the underground part of the plant. Root fixes the plant in the soil. It also absorbs water, minerals from the soil, if you see here. Okay. Stem is a main part of the shoot system. The main function of the stem is to carry water and minerals to the leaves. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Leaves are generally green in color. Flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. It appears as a bird. The bird changes into the fully grown flower. Okay, and last is fruit. Fruit is formed from the flower. Fruit also protects the seed. So these were the parts of the plant we saw in both the modules about leaf, stem, root, flower and fruit. Take a homework. First question, describe the vegetative parts of the flower. Second, what are the reproductive parts of the flower? Next is, what is the difference between monocot and dicot seed? Next is, observe any of the flower, whichever you like, and describe its various parts. And last question, draw a neat and labeled diagram of leaf. Thank you.